Hi friends! Today I am sharing a very healthy and tasty snack recipe. This is called masala sprouts. This is very easy to prepare. When we are hungry or somebody at home is hungry and we want to eat something instantly, so masala sprout is the solution. It can be prepared in a jiffy. The ingredients needed for masala sprouts are chana and moong dal sprouts, finely chopped tomatoes, chopped onion, chopped beetroot, chopped green chili and fresh coriander leaves, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, meathi chutney, chaat masala, last but not least, chip crumbs. Mix all the ingredients in a bowl. Tomatoes, onion, beetroot, green chili and fresh coriander leaves, lemon juice, chutney. Mix all the ingredients. Sprinkle chaat masala over this. Add chip crumbs on the top. It will add extra crunch to your masala sprouts. Here you go. Your masala sprouts are ready. Usually we throw away left out chip crumbs at the bottom of the packet, but now chip crumbs can be used in a best way. I am using corn chip crumbs. You can use potato chip crumbs, nacho chip crumbs, or any other chip crumbs. So try this recipe at your home and serve your dear ones some healthy treat. If you like my recipe, like, comment, share or subscribe. So stay tuned for more videos and more ideas. Till then, bye bye, take care and stay healthy.